Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can change the background color in Photopea. So the first thing that you want to do is to go ahead and basically have yourself a background layer. So in my case, I only imported my photo to Photopea right here. So I only have the background image itself. When I cancel this out, it will only left me with my layer 1, which is going to be Iron Man. So if you have a solid image or a solid background like this one, what you can do is to go ahead and basically just add a color fill. And from here, you can then simply select your background color. In our case, let's turn it into white. And from there, you will be able to change your background color. Well, if not, what you can do is to go ahead and create yourself a new layer by clicking on the new layer button. It will then create this layer right here. You can place it to anywhere you want to, but in our case, I would then want to paste it below my layer 1, which is going to be the Iron Man right here. So with this one, what you can do is to go ahead and select the paint tool. We have the gradient tool or the paint bucket. So if you want to use the paint bucket, you can just simply select your color, click on OK, and then you can press on the layer 2 right here. It will then transform or change our background color. If you then want to use something like the gradient color, you can just select your two colors. In my case, it's going to be somewhere like blue and red. And so if we drag and drop our gradient tool, it will then transform our photo or background color into the gradient background right here. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.